Namaste. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. This recipe is a little twist to an authentic breakfast delicacy in Sindhi homes. This style of serving makes this dish perfect for a gathering. This recipe will serve 6. To make Dal Pakwan Chaat, we will need. For dal, we need 3/4 cup of chana dal, Bengal gram. I have already soaked it for about 2 hours, and as you see, it has become double in volume. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, adrak, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of amchoor mango powder. For pakwan, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, plain flour or maida, 1/4 cup of fine sooji, samolina, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For garnishing, we need 1/4 cup of tamarind chutney. You can check this recipe on my website. And about half a cup of finely chopped cucumber. First, I will make dough for pakwan. Pakwan is a fried thin crispy puris. So it is all-purpose flour, sooji, oil, salt and cumin seed. Mix it well and add the water slowly. Dough should be smooth, but it should be firm. Dough is ready. I have used about 1/3 cup of water. So I am just going to knead the dough for a few seconds and keep it aside for about 15 minutes before I make the pakwans. I am ready to make dal. I like to cook dal in pressure cooker. It saves time. Heat is on medium high. So first I will put the oil. Oil should be moderately hot before I put the cumin seed, because as we put the cumin seed, they should crack right away because it gives the better flavor. Oil is moderately hot, so I will put the cumin seed, and as you see they are cracking. Put chana dal, ginger, green chili, salt, turmeric and about 2 cups of water. Mix it and close the pressure cooker. After pressure cooker, start steaming. Lower the heat to low and let it cook for about 8 minutes. Then turn off the heat and wait before you open the pressure cooker. All the pressure should be escaped. It has been about 8 minutes and all the pressure has escaped. So I am ready to open the pressure cooker and see if dal is ready. Dal is ready and it's looking good. So I'm just going to add the black pepper, garam masala and mango powder. Mix it well. Dal is very soft and tender. It has a just right texture. So this has been about 15 minutes. So I'm just going to knead the dough a little more. And divide the dough in 8 equal parts. Roll them between your palms, making a smooth ball. So roll this in about 5-inch circle. Prick them few places on both sides so pakwan doesn't puff and they will be crispy. And I like to cut them in 6 triangles. So these are good size, bite size pieces. I am ready to fry the pakwan. Oil should be moderately hot, not very hot. So when you are putting it in, it should just sizzle and come up slowly without changing the color. Otherwise they will get quick very fast and they won't be crispy. So as you see, they have come up and have slightly start changing the color. So just keep moving them so they have all same color. Pakwans are ready, has a very nice color and looking crispy. It has taken me about 4 minutes to fry. So it's time to take them out. I like to take them out over paper towel so it absorbs the extra oil. Dal pakwan is ready. I like to serve them on individual serving. So I will just assemble it. Some dal. Drizzle some tamarind chutney. I have this recipe on my website. Some more dal. And drizzle some more chutney. Some finely chopped cucumber. It gives a nice color and nice crunch. And just serve them few pieces of pakwan. I will put some extra pieces in the plate so they can have it more. I am ready to serve dal pakwan. It's looking very tempting. I was inspired to do this recipe from when this was served to me in Jaipur while I was visiting my daughter-in-law's family. Dal Pakwan Chaat is the perfect delicacy for all your gathering and I hope you give this recipe a try. Please subscribe, like and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you. Please visit Manjula's kitchen for more recipes.